So today we are going to Manoa Falls. It's a really tall waterfall, I think like 500 feet. And we're super excited to go see it. I think it's an easy hike. We've got Zoe and Grandma and Grandpa with us. They're up the trail further. We're just gonna catch up to them.
Alright, we just got our first glimpse of the fall a second ago. Guessing we're gonna see it again right at the top of this corner. There it is. It'll still be kind of far away for the camera, but it's a big waterfall, very tall. What do you think?
Oh, it's so tall. It's beautiful.
I believe this is the lower falls. It's a higher cascade above. So this is super cool. The falls was really cool to see. I definitely recommend doing this hike. It's a very popular hike, so there's lots of people on it. It's super easy. You're going up a road the entire way, just a dirt road. Yeah, it was a super good hike, so hopefully you enjoyed the waterfall.